Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Jaleesa, and I am back with a video of how I preserve my curls. So what you want to do, get yourself a scrunchie, or like I have right here, like elastic band that doesn't, or a scarf, whatever you utilize to go to sleep in, honey, pull it out. Okay, so this is what we do. So it's super simple. Make sure there's no rings on your hands, just to make sure you don't snag your hair. So I just like to just basically, as you guys saw, dip my hair over. And sorry, I'm out of the frame, you guys. I thought you guys were like lower, but apparently you guys are right in front of me, right? So get your scrunchie or your elastic band and make a ponytail. But in the natural hair community, we call this a pineapple. But get yourself a up ponytail. So the reason why you want to put this in it basically helps all the hair come to the front of your hair for a drying purpose, for hydration. So you want to lift up all the hair up. So now my hair is super long, where every strand of my hair kind of goes up now. Before, I had to do the banding method. I had to do multiple ponytails, multiple pineapples, if you may. But this is what I do sometimes. So I get the scarf or whatever I have on hand. In this instance, I had just my regular scarf, but any scarf you have is fine. But I just like to do this where I wrap it around. I kind of twist it up like this just because it's kind of a thicker scarf, but it helps dry my hair. So I just tie it in the back like so. But if you have a regular smaller scarf, then you don't have to do all of what I'm doing, but I'm just showing you guys what I do for my nighttime routine. So that's what I do. Now, some people get their edges laid beforehand, honey. I just lay my edges like prior, or out with my baby girl, and I put my bonnet on top and go to sleep, honey, because child. Now, another option is this. Now, this is actually my favorite option just because quick, easy. I'm probably just getting baby girl to bed and I'm sleepy. I want to spend time with my hubby, so I just want to do something that's super quick after my like skincare, like nighttime routine on my face. I want to make sure I can just go ahead and go to bed, you know? So this is what I do. I just pop the bonnet on, y'all, and go to sleep, okay? Like, that's just me. I'm very simple when it comes to my hair. And it stays in place because it's satin. So if you have a satin pillow, honey, girl, throw you a bonnet up there, you good to go. And this doesn't move off my head. So hope that helps. So once I wake up in the morning, I gotta stretch it out, y'all. Honey, I am good to go for the day. So what I do is take down the bonnet, as you guys see here, kind of give it a shake on the ends, because I want to have low manipulation, kind of jamming out to the Lord, okay? But I want to have low manipulation. So right here, I would use my Glory hair oil just to get my ends if I needed some extra hydration. But here I'm just shaking it out because I have the natural shine and hydration from the previous wash, the previous day, you know? So now my hair has some shrinkage, as you guys can see. Do on your scrunchie or your elastic band, that's okay. It does go away. For me personally, I have, residue, but it goes away. So I pray this bless somebody or help someone, but this is what I do. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below any videos you guys want to see in the future. Have a blessed night. Love you all. Bye.